the shift in piracy norm. Now, the picture here shows that a photo book, a pre-social media, right, time that we don't allow strangers to view this personal photo book. But there's a change. Everyone can see my social media photo book. It seems like, oh, that's normal. Everyone's done it, right? So nothing wrong, right? So let's take a look at. Let's examine again, right? The pre-social media time. Before social media, personal photo was shared only with close friends and family. Think about it. Relative, close friends, right? No, even close friends. If you walk into the house and you see a photo book, you still need to ask for permission. Can I view it? Because a photo book was meant to be privacy. It's not for everyone. Now, but why? Why people post them online for strangers to see? What have changed? The photo book were private and kept at home, but pre-social media. Inviting someone to view the photo was meant to intimate. It's not for everyone. But the social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you name it, it changed the way we share. The photos now posted publicly, semi-publicly. Strangers can view personal moments without personal connection. You don't know that it's strangers. You don't know who is that person, and yet they can see our personal moments, right? Our glamorous time, right? So freely. It's like a stranger walk into your house, and they say, "Okay, let me see your photo book," and then you just show people right photo book, and then people just like. But what's the meaning? And more important is that how dangerous is that? Right. By seeing the photo books, people knows how many people you have in the room, in the house, and there's many more uh, risks. Why? But why? Right. Because it's dopamine. It's driven by social validation, the likes, the comments, and the shares. Well, everyone wants to be um, more famous than ever. The psychological shift. And that's the illusion. The illusion of connection despite limited real life interactions. The fear of missing out. The pleasure of maintaining online presence. That's so this is why a stranger walk in nowadays that you imagine a stranger walk into your house and then you show them the photo book, physical photo book, and then they say just like, and then they share and comment and say photo stat and then share it to people. Would you allow that to happen, right? If it's a physical photo book. Well, does that mean that there are more connection? Does that mean that? Why don't you not allow that to happen, right? Because people force that you and then they ask me for my permission, and that's very dangerous. Fear of missing out. The pleasure. So the fear of missing out something, right? The pressure to maintain an online presence. That's the second thing. Right, the pressure to maintain an online presence. So imagine that if every house a stranger go into your house and then that this house open the photo book and then show you that this is my father's, my family, this is my parents, and then you go to the next house also do the same, but you have little idea who is that stranger. Can it be a scammer? Can it be someone who go about to store to kidnap your kids, or is someone who just are very toxic minded, right? And they come into your house and they say, oh, your photo is not very nice, right, and so on, right? Can you imagine that happened? Do you have a privacy? Why there's a door there? Right? Why your house have a door? So what's the consequence? It's a blurred boundary between public and private life. We reduce real world interactions and friendship. More important is the privacy. Is that pose a danger? Are we truly connecting, or just displaying curated version of ourselves? Right? There's not much to talk about anymore. Right? And then worse still, most of us are living in that kind of illusion world. There's just no real connection. A Chinese, you go back home, it's still the same. Any holiday, going together, is a game, right? Take a photo and share on public, share on social media. What is the use for it? Should we rethink how and why we share personal moments online? Just because you want your other friends to see it? We're the same as says if social media doesn't exist. Do you really want that to happen? Or you have any other intention beside that? So think about that. Because you wouldn't let a stranger or even not so close friends, right, to look at the Photoshop or photo book in the past. Why now? Why now? That will matter anyway, right? And you don't want to gather all your so-called close friends right together in a group and share that, and then let them take a photo and keep it as a copy for what? Right? This shouldn't be happen, right? But think about it, right? Think about Roman. So done, right? Thank you for watching, right? So yeah, I'm recording this for my two children. Sorry, I just disclosed that. And then for my children, for my next generation, perhaps it will be too late.